This is a piece of sanitary sewer pipe that runs underground from under the home all the way out to the sanitary sewer main on the street that's owned by the region. This piece of pipe connects all the way up to the floor drain in the basement, underneath the floor slab, runs underground, and connects out to the sewer main, which takes those flows and directs them to the wastewater treatment plant. Concerns with water backing up in your house, with your drains not flowing properly, with water backing up your floor drain in the basement, those are signs that there could be issues with the lateral. It could be issues from roots in the lateral. You could have other blockages, perhaps a dip or a belly in the lateral. The easiest way to find out if you have an issue is to do what's called a CCTV inspection or a camera inspection, where you basically run a camera through an access point, which is called a clean out, and it inspects the condition of the sewer lateral and will determine for the homeowner if they have any issues on private side that our subsidies could possibly help with. To learn more about our enhanced basement flood prevention subsidies, or for more flood prevention information, visit halton.ca/flood and help reduce the risk of flooding today.